Hello, this is Greg Maxwell with Amicus Settlement Planners. Today we're going to talk very briefly about government benefits, the types of government benefits that your clients may be on when they settle a case, some of the issues that you as their personal injury attorney need to consider before sending them their settlement check to make sure they don't lose those benefits. We'll talk very briefly about the planning options that are available to your clients, and then introduce you to an outsourced solution that we have that you can take advantage of. So government benefits are generally categorized into needs-based benefits that are based on a client's assets and income, and non-needs-based benefits, which are entitlements that they've worked for and paid into the system to receive. So example of needs-based benefits are Medicaid, Supplemental Security Income or SSI, food stamps, some Section 8 housing benefits. The most common types of entitlement benefits are Medicare and Social Security Disability Income, or SSDI, and most veterans benefits are entitlements. The main difference here is that entitlements, if they're on an entitlement benefit, a settlement will not cause them to lose those benefits. But if they're on needs-based benefits, you got to be very careful before you send a settlement recovery to your client, because they will lose those benefits most likely unless some planning has been done. So some of the issues to consider, as I mentioned, those distributions to clients may render those clients ineligible for those needs-based benefits. And if your client is only receiving Medicare, you still need to consider and protect Medicare's future interests. We can talk to you about the different options there. You know, there's a Medicare set-aside or a letter from a firm, or just we can talk you through what you need to do to pad your file to make sure you have protected and considered Medicare's future interests. So some of the main planning options for those clients that are on needs-based benefits. One thing, if it's not a large settlement, is the client can spend that money down in the calendar month that they receive the money on certain items that are considered exempt, and we can talk to you about what those are, but essentially you need to follow either the Medicaid or SSI agency rules to do that properly. You can establish what is called a special needs trust, which allows the client to keep their settlement proceeds inside the trust and also continue to receive Medicaid and SSI benefits. And also we can talk to them about potentially getting private health insurance. If they don't want to stay on Medicaid, if they'd rather pursue a private health insurance option, we can talk to them about how that would work. And so we know that for many law firms, this can be an overwhelming task for you or your staff trying to figure out which clients are on which types of benefits and what you need to do. We have an outsourced solution that screens clients for government benefits, helps educate them on their options, and then if they need to establish a trust to protect those benefits, we can walk them through that process. And we will talk more about that in another video, but just so you know, there is a completely outsourced solution that we've developed here at Amicus and here at Toombs Maxwell to make sure that you can take care of that easily. If you have any more questions or you want to talk about any of these in more detail, feel free to reach out to us either by phone or email, and we'd love to chat with you about it.